Are you ready to expand your general knowledge? Check out our YouTube channel Pratim GK Facts for awesome videos on a wide range of topics. Don't forget to subscribe, like and share with your friends. So let's start. What is the full form of TAO? The answer is Taiwan America Occultation Survey. What is the full form of LOPEZ? The answer is Lofer Prototype Station. What is the full form of SPT? The answer is South Pole Telescope. What is the full form of Auger? The answer is Peary Auger Observatory. What is the full form of KGRA? The answer is Kamioka Gravitational Wave Detector. What is the full form of ELT? The answer is Extremely Large Telescope. What is the full form of LRO? The answer is Lunar Reconnaissance Orbiter. What is the full form of CALET? The answer is Calorimetric Electron Telescope. What is the full form of DCAM? The answer is Dark Energy Camera. What is the full form of NEMO? The answer is Neutrino Mediterranean Observatory. What is the full form of APS? The answer is American Physical Society. What is the full form of CPU? The answer is Central Processing Unit. What is the full form of DOE? The answer is Department of Energy. What is the full form of ESA? The answer is European Space Agency. What is the full form of GMO? The answer is Genetically Modified Organism. What is the full form of GPS? The answer is Global Positioning System. What is the full form of HPLC? The answer is High Performance Liquid Chromatography. What is the full form of ISP? The answer is Internet Service Provider. What is the full form of ISS? The answer is International Space Station. What is the full form of LAN? The answer is Local Area Network. What is the full form of LCD? The answer is Liquid Crystal Display. What is the full form of LHC? The answer is Large Hadron Collider. What is the full form of NMR? The answer is Nuclear Magnetic Resonance. What is the full form of OLED? The answer is Organic Light Emitting Diode. What is the full form of PCR? The answer is Polymerase Chain Reaction. What is the full form of RFID? The answer is Radio Frequency Identification. What is the full form of SSL? The answer is Secure Sockets Layer. What is the full form of WAN? The answer is Wide Area Network. What is the full form of IoT? The answer is Internet of Things. What is the full form of R&D? The answer is Research and Development. What is the full form of FAST? The answer is 500 meter aperture spherical telescope. What is the full form of GEDI? The answer is Global Ecosystem Dynamics Investigation. What is the full form of HESS? The answer is High Energy Stereoscopic System. What is the full form of IRIS? The answer is Interface Region Imaging Spectrograph. What is the full form of JWST? The answer is James Webb Space Telescope. What is the full form of LIGO? The answer is Laser Interferometer Gravitational Wave Observatory. What is the full form of LISA? The answer is Laser Interferometer Space Antenna. What is the full form of LSST? The answer is Large Synoptic Survey Telescope. What is the full form of PET scan? The answer is Positron Emission Tomography Scan. What is the full form of SALT? The answer is Southern African Large Telescope. What is the full form of SCUBA? The answer is Sub-millimeter Common User Bolometer Array. What is the full form of SOHO? The answer is Solar and Heliospheric Observatory. What is the full form of TESS? The answer is Transiting Exoplanet Survey Satellite. What is the full form of WLAN? The answer is Wireless Local Area Network. What is the full form of XMM Newton? The answer is X-ray Multimirror Mission Newton. What is the full form of SCTI? The answer is Search for Extraterrestrial Intelligence. What is the full form of MOOC? The answer is Massive Open Online Course. What is the full form of ANITA? The answer is Antarctic Impulsive Transient Antenna. What is the full form of HiRISE? The answer is High Resolution Imaging Science Experiment. What is the full form of NuSTAR? The answer is Nuclear Spectroscopic Telescope Array. What is the full form of WISE? The answer is Wide Field Infrared Survey Explorer. What is the full form of JAXA? The answer is Japan Aerospace Exploration Agency. What is the full form of GOES? The answer is Geostationary Operational Environmental Satellite. What is the full form of DESI? The answer is Dark Energy Spectroscopic Instrument. What is the full form of ALOS? The answer is Advanced Land Observing Satellite. What is the full form of LSPE? The answer is Large Scale Polarization Explorer. What is the full form of SPEX? The answer is Spectropolarimeter for Planetary Exploration. What is the full form of Apollo? The answer is Advanced Polychromatic Laser Optic. What is the full form of XARM? The answer is X-ray Astronomy Recovery Mission. What is the full form of EUSO? The answer is Extreme Universe Space Observatory.